to go out this late at night.
Hi guys, I'm Philip.
I'm Marina.
Our students from STD Summer School 2018 here in Bali, and we would like to tell you a little bit about our experience here.
One thing you should know, girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the hobbies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me.
My name is Awab Hadi Muhammad Bek.
My name is Justina Borove.
My name's Kaylee.
I'm Barbara Cortez from Brazil.
Hi, I'm William Headley from the United Kingdom.
I'm from Poland, from Krakow, and I'm studying architecture and urban planning.
I'm from Sudan. I'm 24 years old and I work as an architect in Sudan.
Today has been my favourite day out of all of them. So we've done a bamboo workshop and it was just amazing.
We learned the Balinese dance on our traditional activities, and that was pretty funny because you need to move like your hands, and I tried to do this, but you need to use your hands this way and at the same that way, and then move your hips so you move like this, and that's so funny. But when you see people from here making these moves, it makes more sense than me dancing that. It's a wonderful experience to be here. It's 2 weeks, but it's for me like 1-2 days, and I just can't wait for more to learn about the creating houses, and we're waiting for interior design classes so far.
The reason I joined this program is because I heard and read a lot about how it's more of a learning and experience mixed up together. So like you don't only get to they don't only teach you the subjects, you get to do excursion and workshop and be part of the Balinese architecture itself. So far we have done a lot of things with different materials, different architectural aspects, and yep, it's a very good learning experience.
I wanted to join this course in Bali because I came here 2 years ago and fell in love with the country, and this gives you such a good opportunity to learn more about the culture, the way that they design over here, and it's just an amazing experience.
Learning about Balinese architecture and Balinese culture, that's really interesting and adds a lot for our day-by-day use back home. The West meets East is going to be a really nice project from us.
And the cultural immersion that we were able to have during the program has really helped us develop our understanding of Balinese culture and Balinese architecture, as well as how to integrate it with our modern understanding of architecture in the Western world.
It's been amazing meeting people from 21 different countries, doing excursions together, workshops together.
We had so much fun. My favorite workshop was the bamboo construction, where we got to build a house and stand on it. Yeah, it was so big, so huge. Definitely this beautiful waterfall here. It's amazing.
It was, this waterfall is exhilarating, like such a new experience. It was really incredible.
We would like to recommend this program definitely to everyone. It's just amazing to meet the culture here in Bali. People are amazing, so beautiful and so kind.
Everyone's so welcoming, and you feel so at home in a place that you've never been, and that's incredible.
Yep. We would like to come back someday, so wait for us. We're gonna find you again, guys.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
amazing.
Bye.
STD Bali!